How to sign up for Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome to Let Me Help. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Cash account. Make sure that you have installed Cash App in your device. Once done, tap on Open. Once you launch your app, this is what it will look like. Now please enter your phone number or email address and tap onto Next at the bottom of the page. Then a verification or confirmation code will be sent to your email address or phone number. Just enter it below. This step is totally optional, but it will be easier if you add or link your bank card to your debit card. To do that, just type in your card number and tap onto Next, or you can just simply skip the process by tapping onto Skip. Then enter your first and last name and tap onto Next. Your Cash App will automatically generate you a cash tag. If you'd like to change it, just edit it. If not, tap onto Next at the bottom of the page. Then lastly, enter your zip code and tap onto Next. Once you do all that, this is what your home page will look like. Just like so, this is how it can be done. If you would like to see more details, we've got a video on how to use Cash App. All you have to do is check it out and you'll be good to go. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways to know about Cash App and how to use it, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.